Welcome to our channel, where we help freelancers build successful businesses. In today's video, we're going to share with you ways to create a strong freelance portfolio and attract more clients. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, these tips will help you showcase your skills, build credibility, and stand out from the competition. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. Showcase your best work. As a freelancer, your portfolio is the most critical marketing tool you have at your disposal. It's the primary way you showcase your skills and expertise to potential clients, which is why it's essential to highlight your best work. When selecting which projects to feature in your portfolio, choose projects that demonstrate your range of skills and strengths. Highlight your most successful projects and use them to show how you have helped clients solve their problems. Make sure to include detailed descriptions of each project and the results you achieved, including any testimonials or feedback you received from your clients. Remember that quality is more important than quantity when it comes to your portfolio. It's better to showcase a few excellent projects than a long list of mediocre ones. So take the time to curate your portfolio carefully and choose your best work that aligns with your niche and target audience. There you have it, folks. The first step in creating a strong freelance portfolio is showcasing your best work. Remember to be selective, highlight your strengths, and include testimonials to show how you've helped clients in the past. Use high-quality visuals. Visuals are a powerful way to capture your potential clients' attention and create a lasting impression. When it comes to your freelance portfolio, you want to use high-quality visuals that showcase your work in the best light possible. Depending on your niche, this can include photographs, screenshots, or videos that demonstrate your skills in action. Ensure that the visuals you use are clear, crisp, and visually appealing. Use professional-grade equipment, such as high-resolution cameras, to capture images and videos that are sharp and vibrant. If you're a designer or an artist, consider showcasing your work in a mock-up or a real-life setting to give your clients a better sense of how your work will look in the real world. Remember that visuals are just as crucial to your portfolio's content as the written descriptions. It would help if you spent time curating high-quality visuals that align with your brand and your target audience's needs. And don't forget to organize your visuals logically and make them easily accessible to your potential clients. Tell a story. Telling a story is a powerful way to connect with potential clients and showcase your skills and expertise. It allows you to share more than just the technical aspects of your work. You can also communicate your passion, your work ethic, and your unique perspective. When telling a story, consider the following. Start with an attention-grabbing introduction that summarizes your story's main point. Share the background of the project and the challenges you faced along the way. Discuss your approach, including the thought process and reasoning behind your decisions. Highlight the results you achieved, including any measurable outcomes. Include quotes or testimonials from clients or colleagues to add credibility to your story. Remember that telling a story doesn't mean embellishing or exaggerating. Be honest, authentic, and let your personality shine through. Use storytelling to convey your expertise and build trust with your potential clients. There you have it, folks. The third critical step in creating a strong freelance portfolio is telling a story. Remember to be authentic, honest, and use storytelling to showcase your skills and expertise. Demonstrate your skills. Demonstrating your skills is an essential part of creating a strong freelance portfolio because it shows potential clients that you have the necessary skills to complete their projects successfully. You can demonstrate your skills in several ways, depending on your niche. Create case studies that highlight your skills and expertise. This can include outlining the project scope, discussing your approach and solutions, and detailing the results you achieve. Develop a skills section on your portfolio that lists all of your skills and experience. This can help potential clients quickly assess whether you have the skills they need for their project. Provide examples of projects or tasks that demonstrate specific skills. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you could include samples of your logo design, branding work, or social media graphics. Consider creating a video that showcases your skills in action. For example, if you're a web developer, you could create a video that demonstrates your coding skills and website development process. Remember that demonstrating your skills isn't about showing off or boasting. It's about providing evidence of your expertise and helping potential clients understand how you can add value to their projects. Keep it simple. When creating your portfolio, it's essential to keep it simple and straightforward. Potential clients want to quickly and easily understand who you are, what you do, and how you can help them. Here are some tips for keeping your portfolio simple. Use a clean and minimal design that's easy to navigate. Avoid cluttered layouts or busy backgrounds that can distract from your work. Focus on the most critical aspects of your work and experience. Don't include irrelevant information that could confuse or overwhelm potential clients. Use clear and concise language that's easy to understand. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that may not be familiar to potential clients. Make it easy for potential clients to contact you. Include a clear call to action, such as a contact form or email address, on your portfolio. Remember that simplicity doesn't mean sacrificing quality or detail. Instead, it means presenting your work and experience in a way that's easy for potential clients to understand and appreciate. Highlight your unique selling proposition. Your unique selling proposition is what sets you apart from other freelancers and makes you the best choice for potential clients. Here are some tips for highlighting your USP in your portfolio. Identify your strengths and expertise. What do you excel at? What sets you apart from other freelancers in your niche? Highlight your past successes and achievements. What projects have you completed that demonstrate your expertise and value? Communicate your value proposition clearly. What benefits do you bring to potential clients? How can you help them achieve their goals? One effective way to highlight your USP is to create a tagline or elevator pitch that summarizes your value proposition in a clear and concise way. For example, if you're a freelance writer specializing in content marketing, your tagline could be helping businesses boost their online presence through strategic content. Remember that your USP is what will attract potential clients to your portfolio and convince them to hire you. So take the time to identify and highlight your strengths and value proposition. Show your personality. Your personality is what makes you unique and helps you stand out from other freelancers. Potential clients not only want to see your skills and expertise, but also want to get a sense of who you are as a person. Here are some tips for showing your personality in your portfolio. Use a conversational tone in your writing. Write as if you're talking to a friend, rather than using overly formal or technical language. Use a photo of yourself on your portfolio. This helps potential clients put a face to the name and makes you seem more approachable. Share personal anecdotes or stories related to your work. This can help potential clients connect with you on a deeper level and see how your personality influences your work. Add a personal touch to your portfolio design. This could be a unique color scheme or font choice that reflects your personality. Remember that showing your personality doesn't mean oversharing personal information or being unprofessional. Instead, it means highlighting the aspects of your personality that make you a great freelancer and potential collaborator. Make it easy to contact you. When potential clients are looking for a freelancer, they want to be able to reach out to you quickly and easily. Here are some tips for making it easy for potential clients to contact you. Include multiple contact methods. This could be your email address, phone number, social media profiles, or a contact form on your portfolio. Make sure your contact information is easy to find. Place it prominently on your portfolio, either in the header or footer, so potential clients don't have to search for it. Respond promptly to inquiries. When a potential client reaches out to you, make sure to respond as soon as possible, ideally within 24 hours. By making it easy for potential clients to contact you, you increase your chances of landing new projects and building long-term relationships with clients. Keep it updated. Your portfolio is a reflection of your skills and expertise as a freelancer, so it's essential to keep it updated regularly. Here are some tips for keeping your portfolio up to date. Add new projects as soon as possible. When you complete a new project, make sure to add it to your portfolio as soon as possible. This way, potential clients can see your most recent work and get a sense of your current skills and abilities. Remove outdated projects. As you add new projects to your portfolio, make sure to remove any outdated or irrelevant projects. This helps keep your portfolio streamlined and focused on your most impressive work. Update your bio and skills section. Make sure your bio and skills section accurately reflect your current experience and expertise. This is an excellent opportunity to highlight any new skills or certifications you've acquired since you last updated your portfolio. By keeping your portfolio updated, you show potential clients that you are active and engaged in your field, and you demonstrate your commitment to delivering high-quality work. And that's a wrap for today's video on the top 10 ways to create a strong freelance portfolio and attract more clients. We hope you found these tips helpful and feel confident in building a portfolio that showcases your unique skills and talents. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on building a successful freelance business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.